Assalamualaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Abbas and you are watching Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas। उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप लोग खैरियत से होंगे। अगर आपको अब मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगती है तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि मेरी न्यू वीडियोस आपको जल्द से जल्द मिले। So today I am going to explain until, right? So our topic is until. In this video I am going to explain until. Now what is until, how to use it, where to use it and what is the usage of it, right? So आज की वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूँ until। अब until क्या है, इसका क्या इस्तेमाल है, कहाँ इस्तेमाल करते हैं और कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं। So see, let's come to the topic. Until is a preposition of time. According to the grammar, until is a preposition of time. Grammar के लिहाज से ये एक preposition of time है। Is this clear? Now what does it mean? See. Until means up to that time. Up to that time. In English, until means up to that time. Is this clear? In Urdu, until का क्या मतलब है? Until का मतलब है तब तक। क्या? तब तक मतलब उस टाइम तक। Is this clear? So it has two kind of definition, right? So see, the first one, when until is used is a preposition it is followed by time expression. See, what does it say? It says, when until is used as a preposition, it is followed by time expression. Now what does it mean? It means that whenever we want to use until as a preposition, then we have to write until before time expression. Before time expression, is this clear? In Urdu, जब हम until को as a preposition इस्तेमाल करें तो फिर हम until time के expression से पहले इस्तेमाल करते हैं और time expression से पहले लिखते हैं। Is this clear? Now what is the usage of it? See. Until is used to talk about a situation until is used to talk about a situation that will continue up to certain moment, right? Sorry, moment. See, what is the usage of it? See, until is used to talk about a situation that will continue up to certain moment. Until is used to talk about those conditions or those situations which are continue up to sure moments, right? Up to certain moments. Is this clear? In Urdu, until का इस्तेमालात क्या है? Until is used to talk about a situation. Until उस हालात के बारे में बताता है या बात करता है that will continue up to certain moment, जो एक खास या फिर यकीनी लम्हात तक जारी हो। Continue means जारी, जो एक खास या बाज़ लम्हात के तक जारी हो। Is this clear? So now see the example. After example you will come to know what is until. Is this clear? See, she works at office until 1 o'clock. See the example. she works at office until 1 o'clock. Now what does this example means? This example means that up to 1 o'clock she works, then she leaves. It means after 1 o'clock she doesn't work. Is this clear? So here until is a preposition with us. It is a preposition, and 1 o'clock, it is a time expression, right? It is a time expression. As I told you that whenever we want to use until is a preposition, then we have to write it before time expression. So here we have time expression, and I have written this until before time expression. Is this clear? इस एग्जाम्पल का क्या मतलब है? She works at office until 1 o'clock. इस सेंटेंस का मतलब यह है कि वो ऑफिस में 1 बजे तक काम करती है. वो ऑफिस में 1 बजे तक काम करती है. तो जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया कि हम ये बता रहे हैं कि किस वक्त तक. तो देखिए वो ऑफिस में 1 बजे तक काम करती है, और until हमारे पास क्या है? ये प्रीपोजिशन है. और जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया कि हम प्रीपोजिशन until जब भी हम चाहें कि इसे एज अ प्रीपोजिशन इस्तेमाल करें, एज अ प्रीपोजिशन, तो फिर हम टाइम के एक्सप्रेशन से पहले लिखते हैं. जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि मैंने ये हमारे पास टाइम एक्सप्रेशन है 1 o'clock, तो मैंने until को टाइम के एक्सप्रेशन से पहले लिखा है. इज दिस क्लियर? सी अनदर एग्जांपल. They play cricket until evening. They play cricket until evening. Now what does this example mean? This example means that after evening they are not playing cricket, or they don't play cricket. They play cricket up to evening. So here evening is time expression with us, right? Time expression, and until is a preposition. Is this clear? I hope you understood it, right? So in Urdu, they play cricket until evening. वो शाम तक क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, वो शाम तक क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. तो जैसे कि मैंने आप लोगों को बता दिया कि हम टाइम एक्सप्रेशन से पहले until को इस्तेमाल करते हैं. तो आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि मैंने until को टाइम एक्सप्रेशन से पहले लिखा है. ये evening जो है ये हमारे पास टाइम एक्सप्रेशन है, और until जो है ये हमारे पास प्रीपोजिशन है. तो हम जो है ये प्रीपोजिशन until जो है ये हम टाइम के एक्सप्रेशन से पहले इस्तेमाल करते हैं. They play cricket until evening. इसका मतलब ये है कि ये जो है ये शाम तक क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, शाम के बाद ये क्रिकेट नहीं खेलते हैं. Is this clear, guys? So this was the end of video. Now I hope you have understood it. If you haven't understood it, then you can ask me a question in comment box. I will be there to answer your question. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do it right now and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Thank you.